Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at MARA stock. This is of course Mara Holdings. You can see this one as of Friday was down by 3.43%, and over the past 5 days we are actually seeing an increase, but just by 1.14%. So the question that we're going to be asking is, what are we looking at next? What could be coming ahead? Over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what that might be. If you do enjoy the episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, I would like you to remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so you should make sure that you are always doing your own research. Now, coming over here and looking at the chart in a bit more detail, a few things stand out personally to me. The first one is a level that we are coming up to. I'm going to highlight this right across here on the chart. $19 is a key level to watch out for into this upcoming week, as we have seen this hold as a support and a resistance level many times in the past. Most notably, we've seen supports back here, the 14th and the 13th, you can see on the charts, maybe even the 10th. Going back a little bit from there, you're also seeing resistance along this level all the way through here and here as well. This is noteworthy. If you begin to see a drop below that, I think you're looking to levels such as 1875, maybe even 1870. This we've seen a couple of times, and because of this, that is actually going to be a stronger level to potentially hold. So keep your eyes very much on 1870. Of course, $19 is that psychological level, but 1870 is where, in my opinion, we do have stronger levels of support. Now again, if you're not able to hold that, I think you're looking to numbers such as 1850, 1855 maybe even 1840, and of course even further down, numbers such as $18, 1810, which of course would represent a relatively significant drop. Now if you are able to move up over the next week, we do have a few levels to that end that we are looking at too. You're initially looking to break above numbers such as 1974, clearly a resistance point over Friday, a couple of times in the past. Then you've got 1990, that's going to be the next key level. We've seen resistance around here. Same goes of course for $20. So 20 to break in the next week would be a significant milestone. Flying past that, you have numbers such as 2030, 2040, all the way up at $21. We could see a lot of resistance on the way up there. But realistically, what I'm looking for is to hold these levels of support. Again, $19 and above is absolutely ideal. But given this major drop that we saw on Thursday, of course, what we're going to need to see is a point where we do begin to consolidate. We need some price stability, in my opinion, and we've just not seen that over the last week. We're going to need this to build some genuine levels here for genuine and prolonged potential pushes ahead. So I'd say keep your eyes on those levels to the downside specifically. That is just my personal opinion, of course. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I do hope I'll see you again in a future episode. Goodbye for now.